Good evening, judges and ladies and gentlemen. Never lose yourself while trying to fit in the society. Be proud to be unique. I am Monica Borgohain from Guwahati. I believe in hard work because hard work is the root to success. I am contestant number 3 tonight, and I hope this number turns out lucky for me. And lastly, thank you so much and enjoy the evening.
Thank you so much. So we have our next contestant coming very soon on the stage.
It's time to party. On the dance floor, let's party. Let's dance, let's drink, let's party.
So here is the mic for the introduction.
Thank you. নমস্কাৰ শ্ৰদ্ধেয় বিচাৰক মণ্ডলী লগতে দৰ্শকবৃন্দ মোৰ নাম মৰুস্মিতা মেধি মই মিৰ্জাৰ বাসিন্দা মই নাচি লগতে ভ্ৰমণ কৰি ভাল পাওঁ মই নিজস্ব স্বকীয়তাৰে ভিৰৰ মাজতো নিজকে পৃথক কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰোঁ আশা কৰোঁ আপোনালোকে এই শুভ সন্ধিয়াটি অতি সুন্দৰভাৱে উপভোগ কৰে যেন ধন্যবাদ
Well said, sweetheart. So here we have our next contestant for the introduction. Alright, there is a very sad news that contestant number 6 is suffering from tonsils, so I hope you'll bear with her.
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jimpi Bora and I am from Dekya, Delhi. My hobbies are dancing and cooking. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 6. So now we have another contestant for the introduction round. Contestant number 5. All the best for your introduction round.
Thank you. Hello. Good evening, everyone. My name is Preeti Shaha. I am from Rangapara. I am 17 years old and my hobbies are singing and dancing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think I will walk along with you.
Respected judges and presented here everyone. My name is Preeti Deka and I am from the beautiful city Guwahati, Assam, and I am 19 years old and I am a degree student and I love to dance and singing as well. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening, everyone. May you enjoy your evening. Thank you once again.
introduction round. All the best.
Thank you. Let's do what we love and do lots of things. A very good evening to respected judges and all present here. My name is Manisha Boro and I'm from Kalegaon, pursuing my degree from Mongolai College. Aim in life is to be a successful model. My hobbies are acting, dancing and modeling. Here I am because I have inclination towards modeling. Bless me that I may win this show tonight. Thank you for your lovely time and have a wonderful evening and wish you in advance Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you. And I do believe that we should do what we want to do. Next contestant, please be here for the introduction round.
Good evening to all and respected judges. Myself Janmoni Boru. I am from Tezpur. My aim in life is to become a famous model and my hobby is acting and writing newspaper. Thank you.
We all hope that you will become a famous model very soon. I guess they do not have any introduction round, so this is their ramp walk round. Guwahati, a great round of applause for them.